everyone. So today I'm going to use Pro Builder in Unity and then create a sample level like this, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So the reason I wanted to do this is like I need to have some test areas to further improve my character, like staircases, ramps, and other stuff that I can jump and hang on to, like this area. So yeah, so let's start building this level with the Pro Builder. Okay, so to proceed with the improvements for my character, first I need to develop some kind of a level or test level actually. So for that I think I saw something called a Pro Builder asset in Unity. Yeah, this one. So I'm going to try this one and make some level so that I can create an example level to test my mechanics. Version 2x. Okay, install via package manager, so it's not good to download it this way. Alright, let's go to packages manager. Pro Builder. How can I access it? Oh, right here, Pro Builder. Let's install this. Right, so it is installed. I'll close this now. Now how to use it? Okay, we have this Pro Builder cube. Alright, let's place one of them. Yeah, I think I should, let's move this to 0 0 0. Where is it now? Okay, here, and then I'll enable snapping. How to enable snapping? There should be some option to enable snapping. Alright, it's here. Edit snap settings. Let me close this. Right, so okay, I'll enable this like this. Okay, now it should snap. Wait, no. Alright, to snapping to work, in order to work a snapping, I have to hold Control key like this. Okay. Right, now let's start building our level. I think I don't need this. So okay, we got some Pro Builder settings here. How to use this? no, not a scaling. I need to have, I think we should have some other, okay, some other tool set. Pro builder, right, I got it. So let's go to this. This is, I think this is object mode. Yeah, this is vertex selection, this is edge selection, and this is face selection. Alright, got it. Now I'll select this face and press Ctrl E to extrude, and another I'll select this face, Ctrl E to extrude, this face, Ctrl E to extrude. Right, now from this face I'll drag this object like this so that I will have some area, and then I'll select this face. Wait, no, yeah, then I'll press Ctrl E to extrude. Now I can extrude this area like this. Okay, good. What else? Let me extrude this further. Let's select these all and extrude further. Wait a minute, I think I could do that for the ground as well. Yeah, let me select this face and this face, and let's move them here. Oh no, let's select these faces and keep pressing Ctrl E. Cool. So the reason to have this this smaller triangles is because now that I can extrude them and create objects as I need. So that's why I wanted to have a grid. Wait, let's move the player upwards, and if I play the game, it is like this. Okay, now let's continue to build. Okay, so now I need to add something like a ramp here. The reason is that I want to have a slanted ramp area, so because in the next step I want to create IK system for this character. So for that I'll select these things. Or maybe that's too far. Let's select here. Can I drag and select them? Oh no. Okay, let's extrude them like this. Now I'll select these things and we can merge these faces like this, so they act as a single face. And then I'll move them down like this. Okay, now we have a ramp. Let's see if my character can move up. Oh yeah, it can. So yeah, so now as you can see here, even though my character is in a slanted area, his foot is not matching with the slope of the ground. So I want to work on that in the next episode. So that's why I wanted to create something like this using the Pro Builder. Actually I could just drag a cube and make it rotate and do the same thing without using the Pro Builder, but I wanted to start using Pro Builder because first thing is that I wanted to show you guys how to use it, and then also of course not just this area, I wanted to have some other stuff to implement character as well. Okay, now after that let's add, let me merge these. How to merge them? Okay, I'm not sure why that happens. And come here and jump and grab onto this ledge and climb. So I want to do stuff like that too. Okay, so I'll stop this episode at this point, and oh no, maybe we should keep creating some more stuff to make this more interesting, I think. Yeah, let's add some pillars here. Okay, no, I think I'll stop this episode here. So let's work on eye case tomorrow. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye. Also, the project file will be available through the Patreon page.